Yes, sure.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's this question.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for it. So teacher will go question by question with you all. Okay, I'm hoping to do 2 structure, 1 essay if it's possible. Then tomorrow I hope to finish the last 2 essays. Yeah. If you have your pen, your paper, your colored pencils or pen, teacher will be very grateful. Okay, so I hope that I'm not talking to myself, so I'm not the only person talking here. I hope to hear from you as well. Okay, so what is the meaning of redox reaction? Yeah, you've done.
Is redox reaction when oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously.
Okay, can I give him marks for that? Good one, Benji, but can I give you marks for that? Benji, say again, Benji.
It is when oxidation and reduction happens or occurs simultaneously.
Okay, can give marks or not?
I think something I didn't say.
Yeah, something you didn't say, correct. What he didn't say in the beginning. His second part was correct.
Chemical reaction.
Correct. It must be chemical reaction. Who was the guy's voice just now? Was it Tinesh? Is Tinesh in already? Alvi. Okay, Alvi, was it your voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so chemical reaction. Okay, must have this word, chemical reaction. Okay, Chia and Alvi, correct, yeah? Where, okay, now then here is where Ben's answer is correct, yeah? Where oxidation and reduction occurs occurs simultaneously. Okay, so this is the answer for redox. Okay, now the class is so small, so it's nice to actually hear from everybody. Okay, can you tell me which one is my strong reducing agent? Who can tell teacher? How do I know which one is a strong reducing agent? What am I looking at?
Teacher, is the answer Mg2 plus?
Okay, your answer is not Mg2 plus, but you are close.
If I just say magnesium.
Okay, your answer is correct, magnesium, but I need to hear your reasoning. Why did you choose magnesium?
Because it has the lowest E0 value.
Lowest E0 value. Okay,
less
so
positive, the most less positive.
Okay, yes. So actually what you're saying is correct, and what Damien is saying is also correct. When I look at reducing agent, I'm always looking at the negative SEP value. All of you writing down on your paper. Okay, I must have the most negative SEP value here. Now, if you look at my equation here, or if you look at my E0 values here, which one has the most negative SEP value? Magnesium, good, yeah? Yeah, but some of you, then you get confused. Do I choose Mg2 plus, teacher, or do I choose magnesium? Okay, so teacher wants you to think, yeah? That's why you need to think. When you come, okay, I know already it is magnesium, this first one, magnesium or Mg2 plus. Teacher, which one do I write? Magnesium or Mg2 plus? So I need you to think. If something is a strong reducing agent or a reducing agent, it must undergo what? What process?
It undergoes oxidation.
Very good. I heard some of you. It must undergo oxidation. Now you tell teacher, between magnesium and Mg2 plus, which one undergoes oxidation? Magnesium or Mg2 plus?
Magnesium.
Correct. Okay, magnesium, because it is 2.8.2. It is, okay, you must donate 2 electrons, okay, and you will get 2.8. You all understand? Do you get my concept here? So the answer is magnesium. Now, do you understand the reasoning of B1?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Is the most electronegative and the most negative set value the same? No. Good questions, Zawawi. The most negative set value is not more electronegative. The more negative the set value is actually more electropositive because I donate my electron easily. If electronegative, it means I can receive my electron easily. Anything in group 17 is more electronegative. Anything in group 1 is more electropositive because group 1 donates the electron easily. Zawabi, is teacher answering your question?
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
No worries. Saying hello to Tinish and to Kartia that just came in. Anik as well. Alwi that came in just now. Damien, I'm not sure if teacher say hello to you. Hello, Damien. Hello to all of those of you who just came in, yeah? Okay, now how do I count this? Okay, what's the oxidation number of chromium? Chromium is Cr, yeah? In Cr2072 minus. How teacher finds the oxidation number here? If don't know, just say don't know so teacher can teach. But if somebody knows, then I want to hear from you.
I forgot, Rachel.
Okay, you forgot. All right. Forgot. Okay, excellent. Very good. Okay, so teacher teach, yeah? When they ask questions like this, it's simple mathematics, you know, really simple mathematics. So here's CR2. Teacher's going to write down CR, but instead of putting the 2 at the back, teacher's going to put a 2 in front. It means I'm trying to say I've got 2 CRs, okay, because I need to find the oxidation number of CR plus, okay, what I need to do is all the oxidation numbers of all the atoms that I see here, I must add it up. Okay, and how many oxygens do I have here? What's the number here?
7.
Okay, very good. Very happy happening on your side, that side, Ben. Okay, and then oxygen, what is my oxidation number?
-2.
Excellent. Okay, -2, yeah, is equals to all right. Now, what is the number teacher needs to put here? Do I put equals to 0 or do I put equals to -2? You can take a
Equals to 0, sir.
no. Thank you.
-2.
Thank you for trying, Dinesh. Never mind, make the mistake now. It's okay. Okay. If you have a number on top here, it must be equals to -2. If let's say got no number there, there's no charges there. Okay, let's say it is just let me see. If it is just NH3, okay, and then they ask you find the oxidation number of nitrogen, then you put N plus 3 times 1 is equals to 0. Then find for N. N is equals to -3. Do you understand? But here, because I have a number -2 up there, so must be equals to -2. Okay. Can I have one person? This is simple mathematics. Who can try this for teacher?
Teacher, that means the one that we want to find, we leave it as an unknown.
Correct.
Okay, Jeff. Okay.
Okay. All right. Can I have Kai maybe? Kai, are you able to talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you continue for teacher? Okay, teacher help you here. 2CR. Okay, I write back 2CR. Okay. Plus 7 times -2. What do I get?
-14.
Okay, -14. Kai, you want to try, Kai? Is equals to -2. Okay, teacher want to leave the 2CR here. What do I do to the -14?
Hey, teacher, why -2, teacher?
Because I have a number up here. So if I have a number up here, the sum of everything is equals to the number up there.
Then
CR equals to +12.
Okay, very good. Okay, so it's equals to +12, correct? Okay, and then carry on.
CR equals to positive 6.
Okay, very good. So Damien, if you look at Damien's answer in the chat, Damien said 6. Damien, in exam, you won't get marks, Damien. If you put 6, you won't get marks at all. You must have, when you have oxidation number, you must have positive or negative. Very important. Okay, so yes, the answer is positive 6. Well done. Okay, Damien and Kaya. Damien, accept that the mistake there. Class, do you understand that?
Teacher.
Yeah.
I need to go through revision for this one.
Can. Isaiah,
Yeah, teacher, I want to ask, why 7 bracket -2?
Thank you, Aisha. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for asking that question. I appreciate that. Okay, now 7. Okay, what is the oxidation number of oxygen? That means, remember, I told you to memorize oxidation number. If Cl is -1, if aluminium +3, if it is sodium is +1. If it's oxide, Isaiah, what is the
O2
oxidation?
minus. O2 minus.
2 minus. So that's why I've got -2 here. Isaiah, so far you following, teacher?
Yeah, I'm following, teacher.
Okay, then why did I put 7 there, Isaiah? You can tell me also yourself. Why did teacher put 7 there? Is Isaiah talking?
Yeah, teacher, I'm here, teacher.
Why did teacher put 7? I got -2 here already. Why did teacher?
Because the 7 is O7 is there.
Yeah, I've got 7 oxides. Okay,
Yeah.
7 oxides. So teacher's timing the 7 the oxides with 7. Now does it make sense to you, Ben and Isaiah?
Yeah, sir. But then why
Yes.
why the whole thing is -2, sir?
Because okay, this is calculations that you all need to know. Okay, if you all are doing any calculation, they ask to find any oxidation number. If you have, okay, this is not your level as a higher level to know the reason why, but if you have a number on top here, that means the sum of everything here is equals to this number. Then you go and find out what is that unknown. If you don't have a number up here, like teacher gave you just now, NH3, I don't have +1, I don't have +2, that means the sum of everything there is equals to 0.
Teacher, but isn't it, if do not have anything up there, isn't it equivalent to 1?
No,
Like in,
it's equivalent to 0.
like if they give like H plus, right? That is 1, right?
That is because it is by itself. H plus is by itself and ion by itself. Now it's a mixture of so many atoms together. Okay, all of you practice now. Go and do this question. CrO4 minus. Give me the oxidation number of Cr now. Teacher, give it 30 seconds start now. And Siu, I don't know how to pronounce it still. Siu, how do I pronounce it? Say it again. Okay, you can, cannot lie. Still can't. You can answer my question for me, Karti.
CR is 4, sir.
Huh?
CR is 4, sir.
CR is, your answer is 4, is it?
-4.
You try again properly first, all of you. Okay, teacher's not saying it's wrong, but try first.
Okay.
Damien, betul. So you all got Damien's answer already. Okay, but I want to see. Okay, Chia also got it. Okay, the rest of you, did you get the same answer? Farid, did you get the answer, Farid?
No, chair.
Okay. Karti?
Yes, teacher.
Did you get the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, plus 7.
Teacher, how he got +7?
Okay, let me show y'all. Funny lah y'all. Let me try to go to my whiteboard. Okay. All right, so CrO4 minus. Okay, Damien, are you able to talk out loud, Damien? Okay, Damien lost his voice today. All right, so I want to find for CR, yeah? Okay, so CR, I'm going to put like this. Okay, in grandparents' house. That grandparents also study together, okay? Now, like I told Isaiah just now, what is the oxidation number for oxygen or oxide?
2 minus.
-2, okay? So teacher's going to put -2. And how many oxides do I have?
4 je.
Okay, 4. So teacher's going to put 4 here, okay? Until this step, do you all understand?
Yeah, I thought it's -1.
Sorry?
I thought it's -1 since it's only negative.
That's what I did as well, but it's wrong because it's oxygen, so it's 2 minus.
You
It tricked you there.
The other side lah, bare after equal.
No, this negative here will tell you that the sum of everything here is equals to -1. Okay, the sum of everything here is equals to -1. So if teacher is doing here, the sum of everything is equals to -1 because this negative here came here. Yes. Okay, the sum of this whole thing is not a molecule, yeah? The sum of the whole ion here is equals to -1. Okay, following teacher so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so CR, okay, +4 times -2 is -8, and the sum of everything is equals to -1. Okay, so if teacher's finding for CR is equals to -1. If here is a -8, if I bring over there, it becomes a +8. Okay, this is mathematics. Cikgu Auni will be very proud of y'all if y'all can do this maths. -1 + 8, what do I get?
+7.
Very good, I get a +7. Okay, now do you understand what teacher is saying here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, another one. MnO4 minus, all of you. MnO4 minus.
Chair, +7, chair.
Whoa, that was fast. Karti,
Okay.
how did you do?
MnO7 minus, chair.
Okay, wait. So Karti gave the answer already here. Okay.
Yeah, chair.
Wait. Karti did it. Okay, let's see how Karti say it loud.
Chair, MnO4 minus.
Yes, I know. Okay, carry on.
Okay, chair. So down there you put x plus 4 times -2
Okay.
equals to -1.
Okay.
So you will get x equals to +7.
Okay, so are you following already? Now see you're getting faster and faster. You'll understand already, yeah? Okay, let me give you another one with no numbers on top. Okay, the next one that teacher wants to give you is wait, P2O5. P2. You're still having a fun time with that. P2O5. What's the oxidation number for my phosphorus? Same concept, huh? Say, sorry, did someone say something?
Is it 10, sir?
Okay, 10 and are you sure 10 class?
Yeah, positive 2, sir.
Okay, some say positive.
Positive 5.
Oh, no, positive 5.
Okay.
Yeah, positive 5, positive.
All right, so simple again, yeah. So never mind. Okay, so 2p plus minus 2 times 5 is equals to 0. 2p is equals to 10. Okay, p is equals to positive 10 divided by 2 if it's positive lah, so it's positive 5. Correct. Now do you understand how to do it? Why must it be positive 5? Anyone can tell teacher, why is it positive 5? Who can tell me?
Is it because phosphorus donate 5?
Increase it 5, sir. 0 to 5.
Yeah, think of which group is phosphorus in. Oh, what is the proton number for phosphorus?
31, sir.
Proton number.
15.
15. If it is 15, what is my electron arrangement?
2.8.
5.
Very good. If it's
2.8.5.
8.5, which means to say that it has got 5 valence electron, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's why the charge is +5. Okay, same thing. Why must oxygen be -2? You think about it. Why must oxygen be -2? Because it is in group 16. I need to receive 2 electrons to become stable, to become 18, 2.8.8. Okay, that's why oxygen is -2. Okay, so this is just a rough thing that teacher's just sharing with you all. So in case that you're wondering, teacher, why must it be -2? Why must it be? All these comes from their proton number, which is their electron arrangement, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing for this one and I'm going to go back to the question. Okay, let me give you the question. Okay, now all of you know how to count already, yeah? Cannot tell me you don't know how to count. Okay, let's quickly look at this question. I'm going to throw questions to you all here. Which one is my negative terminal? Which one is my positive terminal? If you remember kalau nak kahwin, should be able to do this already. Which is my negative?
In.
Very good. Okay, why is tin my negative terminal?
More electron negative.
No.
Less.
Okay, so don't talk about more electronegative and positive. We talk about the SAP value. Anytime you are doing a voltaic cell or you're doing anything, we talk about the SAP value. So what is the SAP value of tin compared to copper?
0.14 and 34.
Okay, so here is 0.14. Here is 0.34. Which one has a more negative value or which one has a less positive value?
In.
Okay,
0.14.
very good. Anything that is more negative for teacher, okay, anything, all of you writing down, anything that is more negative or anything that is less positive, that must always be my negative terminal. Okay, anything that is more positive, SAP value, that must be my positive terminal. Okay, teacher want to change, now magnesium and copper. You don't have to even look at the SAP value, okay? You look at my kalau nak kahwin. Which one will be my negative terminal?
Magnesium.
Very good. Okay, copper and silver. Which one is my negative value? Benji cannot.
Sorry, Chair.
Okay, why? Okay, I want to repeat. Copper and silver. Which one is my negative? Sorry, which one is my negative terminal?
Copper
Copper. Why?
less positive.
Very good. Okay, the set value is less positive. If you answer like that, you get 0 marks.
Less electropositive.
No. You less positive compared to
Silver.
silver. Okay, I just want to stop for a while. And does everybody know what Puan Shina is saying?
Yes, Chair.
Okay, now question is asking you, what is happening to beaker A after 30 minutes? After 30 minutes, what is happening to my beaker A? Okay, I want to do this together with you. Okay, if in my negative terminal, okay, I am always going to undergo oxidation. Okay, wait. Now, in my positive terminal, I'm always going to undergo reduction. Okay, I'm always going to undergo reduction. So can somebody tell teacher here, if I'm undergoing reduction, what is happening in this particular beaker? Who can tell teacher?
Blue color solution turns into brown color residue will form on the copper electron.
No, wrong answer.
Blue intensity decreases.
Okay, Karti says blue intensity increases, decreases. Why, Karti? I want to see your ionic equation first.
Okay, sir.
Because that is, teacher, isn't beaker A doing oxidation, teacher?
No,
Because copper. Okay, so so tin does oxidation, teacher.
correct. Anything that is your negative terminal will, all writing down now, will always undergo oxidation. Okay, anything that is your negative terminal. So this side, I don't care about whatever ions is here. I only care about whatever my electrode is.
That means, teacher, in the electronegative series, the tin is higher than the copper.
Yes,
So that's why it's doing oxidation. Right?
correct. That's right.
So if that
Yeah,
is
so the anode is the reducing agent, kan? Tin.
That's why it's undergoing oxidation.
is reducing agent, it should go under
Copper is reduced. Yeah. Right?
Reducing agent must undergo oxidation. Terbalik.
So the blue intensity of beaker A increases.
No. Okay, we're coming to that. Hang on, Zawawi. Karti, carry on. Beaker A.
Yes, teacher. So beaker A should be 2 Cu2 plus 2E equals to Cu.
Okay. Where are we getting the Cu2 plus from?
From the copper to nitrate.
Very good. Now remember, everybody listening here, this is my positive terminal. In my positive terminal, I do not care. I don't care whatever electrode you give me, I don't care. I only care about two things. Whatever are my cations here. Teacher got Cu2 plus and H plus. Now between Cu2 plus and H plus, which one is going to be selectively discharged?
Selectively, the one be selected is copper 2 plus because it's more electropositive than H plus.
Okay, I'm choosing Cu2 plus, correct, but not because it is, the reason is wrong. Because my SEP value is more positive compared to hydrogen. You cannot get confused. Electropositivity is the ability to donate electron. SEP value positive, okay, it means I can receive electron more easily.
Teacher, is sub value and E naught value the same thing?
Yeah, same.
Okay. Thank you, teacher. I got confused for a second.
Okay, electropositivity is I can donate electron easily. Okay, here no, I'm not talking about donating electron. Okay, I'm talking about the SEP value is positive. Okay, what is my SEP value for hydrogen? Wait, Akati, what's my SEP value for hydrogen? Very good. 0.00. What's my SEP value for copper 2 ions? Very good. Positive 0.34. Class, you tell me, which one is more positive value? Damien, sorry, Zawawi is my only one giving me the answer. Okay, correct, Zawawi. So that's why teachers using Cu2+. That's why Cu2+ is the one compared to hydrogen, teacher is selectively discharging it. Okay, yes, Karti, what was your question?
Teacher, can you show the flow of electrons?
Flow of electrons will go from tin to copper.
That means beaker A, copper rod must become thicker, right?
In this question, yeah.
So then blue intensity doesn't decrease, right?
Why?
But because the rod becomes
Intensity, blue color intensity will decrease, dey, macha.
Wait. Karti, listen first, yeah. You see, what gives the blue color? The Cu2+ gives me the blue color, right?
right.
Now, if I'm using up all the Cu2+, don't you think the blue color will decrease?
But the flow of electron is from the other side, teacher.
The flow of electron is different compared to ions, that is electrons. That is what is causing the voltmeter reading to the deflection of the voltmeter. Nothing got to do with the color of the intensity here.
Oh, okay.
You see, look at teacher, when the electrons comes here, that's where I'm receiving the electrons. That's all. This is blue color. I'm using up all the blue color, and that blue color gives me a brown solid now. If I'm using up all that blue color, can the solution stay blue anymore?
Nope.
Okay, so do you understand the concept now?
Yeah. Yes, teacher.
Okay, so my answer here will be blue solution. Okay, or intensity, that's a nicer one. Intensity of blue solution decreases. You please don't say decolorize, teacher won't give you any marks. Okay, cannot be, yeah? Okay, what's another answer that I can give here?
Can I say the copper electrode become thicker?
Very good. Yes, a copper electrode becomes thicker. Why? Benjamin cannot answer. Who can tell teacher why copper electrode becomes thicker?
You receive electron.
Yeah, very good. I'm receiving electrode and I'm forming a Cu here. Cu is a brown solid. Okay, so when I get a brown solid, obviously here we can see that it is going to become a thicker electrode. Okay, because it's already brown in color, so it becomes thicker. Yes, correct. Anyone has any questions? Some more? Do you understand this concept or not?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you, Dinesh. Anyone else who's got a question or you don't understand something you want to ask?
No, teacher.
All good, yeah?
Yes, teacher.
Karti, what are you eating?
I'm so sorry, teacher, but I'm eating Magnum almond ice cream, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Anik, Alwi, Isaiah, Zawawi, Renette, do you understand?
Understand, teacher?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we go to the next question. Which one is undergoing oxidation?
Tin.
Very good. Okay, now they're asking you, based on the SAP value, explain your answer. Why is tin the one that is undergoing oxidation? Now remember, I do not want to hear the word electropositivity and electronegativity in any voltaic cell. I don't want to hear that word. Okay, what's my answer here? Why?
Tin is more electronegative compared to copper.
Cannot. Remember, I said don't use the word electronegative and electropositive. Don't want to hear that word. They said use standard electrode potential. Use the value. Okay, less positive SAP value. Okay, so tin is 0.14 and copper is 0.34. Okay. So yes, okay, if you look at no, this is Tinish. You look at Tinish's answer, yeah? The E naught value, what is E naught? Huh? What is
That's not me, sir.
Oh, sorry, Benjamin. Okay, sorry, yeah. There's no such thing as E naught, E naught is E naught, okay? Okay, so you can say the SAP value. The SAP value of tin is less positive compared to copper. Okay, that's a perfect answer, except that you don't put E naught like that, okay? Okay, the SAP value of tin is less positive compared to copper. Okay, then teacher will accept the answer. Okay, SAP value of tin is less positive compared to copper. Are you following so far? So teacher want to test you. Magnesium and zinc. Which one is my negative? Which one is undergoing oxidation?
Magnesium, teacher.
Very good, Karti. Why? I want talking about SAP value.
SAP value less, teacher. Less positive.
Compare. Okay, I go back to magnesium. Let's go to magnesium here, yeah? Maybe forgot the SAP value. Okay, this is magnesium, yeah? Okay, magnesium is negative 2.38. Okay. And zinc, okay, let's say zinc is also negative, yeah? Teacher can't remember it for zinc. Okay, why am I choosing magnesium over zinc, Karti?
What is less negative, teacher? Like in the SAP value itself is less, teacher.
So this is negative 2.38, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Zinc must be like 3 something.
No, zinc must be lower.
So,
Okay.
but tin is 0.14 and copper is 0.34, right?
Yes.
Then tin is chosen because tin is less. SAP value is less.
Less positive. But so if you look at it, this is more, tin is more negative compared to copper. If you look at it, lah. Here we are comparing positive, positive. So if we got positive, positive, we take the lesser positive one. If we got negative, negative, okay, we are going to take the more negative one.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, let's say teacher can't remember. Let's say zinc is negative 1.14. Example, I think 1.10. Okay. What is my which one? Okay, he said it's magnesium. Why? The Karti. SAP value of?
SAP value of magnesium is higher than SAP value of zinc.
Can I use the, okay, higher what? More negative, more positive?
More negative, teacher.
Compared to?
Compared to zinc.
Okay, very good. That's the perfect answer. Okay, now teacher want to ask another question. Okay, teacher got zinc, teacher got copper. Can someone go and double check for teacher what is the SAP value for zinc now? Or and someone? I think minus 0.76. Can someone check?
Negative 0.76, teacher.
Correct. Thank you, Anik. Okay, very good. I'm just testing y'all a lot, yeah, because I'm very sure this one's going to come up for exam. I can guarantee you. Okay. Not Karti, not Benji, any one of y'all. Teacher just wants you all to keep on practicing. Now I got zinc and I got copper. Which one is my negative terminal?
Zinc.
Very good. Zinc. Who said that? Tinesh?
No, not me, sir. Alvi.
Alvi, okay, both your voices the same. Okay, very good. Alvi, why? Why did you choose zinc?
Zinc, the SAP value of zinc is less positive compared to copper.
Okay, he chose zinc is less positive compared to copper. Can, or if I don't say less positive, I can say more negative. What's my sentence for that?
The SAP set value of zinc is more negative compared to copper.
Very good. Perfect answer. I don't know what Zawawi wrote there. Zawawi, what language is that? Zinc is your ku is your po. What is that? Is it English?
I think ZN is your negative, C is your positive. I don't know if that's right.
Wow. Well, Shalini, you understand him very well, Shalini. Okay, very
Yeah, I
good.
think so.
Last one, okay, I'm gonna give you the last one. I'm gonna use this one, okay, and I want you all to secara chonga answer me, okay? Lead and silver. Which one is my positive? Terminal. Silver, very good. Renan also answered silver. Who else answered silver? Yeah, so quiet, can't hear you all also. Who else answered silver? Do you all know it's silver?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I have who hasn't said anything so far yet? Huh? Let me see. Can I have Farid? Farid, why did I choose silver as my positive terminal, Farid?
It's more positive compared to the others.
Okay, so your sentence must be the set value.
The set value of silver is more positive than the others.
Cannot say others because I'm comparing with lead.
The set value of silver is more positive than lead.
Very good. Perfect answer. Yeah. So for all those of you answered very good, teacher, so proud of you. Okay, last one. I'm letting you all look at this. I'm doing tin and lead. Okay, tin and lead. Which is my positive terminal, Isaiah? Isaiah?
Yes, yeah.
What's my question?
Which is more positive?
Lingkup.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Lingkup.
My question is tin and lead. Which one is more positive?
Which one Isaiah?
Okay. Lead.
Yeah.
Which is my positive terminal? What are you doing, Isaiah?
Lead. I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, which one?
Lead.
Why?
It's closer to 0.
Your head.
Oh no.
Isaiah did something.
Isaiah.
Teacher. Isaiah.
Kantai.
Hey, what lah?
Teacher, they confirm something and sleeping or whatever.
Please smack you, Isaiah. Okay, can I have Chia helping him, Chia? He chose lead, correct. Why is lead my positive terminal?
Set value of lead is more positive than what? Just a question.
Oh,
The
Isaiah and Dinesh,
tin.
Isaiah and Sukyan one house teacher.
Tin.
okay, all right, correct. Yeah, I want to compare lead and tin. Okay, it's more less negative, or you can say more positive. Okay, correct. Okay, last one. This one teacher one, Anik. Anik, if I am doing tin and lead, which is my positive terminal? Tin and lead. Sorry, which is my negative terminal? Tin and lead.
Tin,
Why?
because the set value of tin is more negative than lead.
Okay, I want all of you all to give a round of applause to everyone that answered, including Isaiah, okay, who went missing. Good job. All of you answered very well. Teachers repeating because I can guarantee you this will come up for exam this year. Because it's a new syllabus. Anything that's new syllabus will come up for exam. Okay, let's do the next one. How many of you, don't waste my time, how many of you don't know how to write cell notation? Don't know, can't remember. Teacher, what is cell notation? Also, I don't know. How many of you?
Me, teacher.
Very good. I have one person so honest raising up their hand. How about the rest of you?
Boleh buat, sir.
Okay, can't remember. Okay, very good. Now I want you to remember this. I always give you tips on how to remember. Okay, remember A. Okay, A comes before C. So A is anode, C is cathode. Okay, and then I want you to remember that E comes before I. Okay, and then you imagine there's a mirror in the middle because this is your salt bridge. Then you just mirror it, I and E. Teacher, I don't know what you're writing. It's okay. I will teach you. Okay, so A is for anode, my negative terminal. C is for my cathode, my positive terminal. Now between what we did just now, between tin and my copper, which one is my anode?
Tin.
Very good. Okay, tin is my anode. So teacher is going to write down first tin. Okay, so my anode, I always start with the anode. All of you writing down together with teacher, yeah? So I started with my electrode. Very good. Okay, now, after I got my electrode, what are the ions that I form after undergoing oxidation? Okay, after undergoing oxidation, so for example here, just now copper is receiving electrode here. Tin is what? Sn, what do I get? If it's undergoing oxidation, what do I get here?
SN2 plus.
Very good. Plus 2 electron. Yeah, excellent. So what is my ion here? Sn2 plus. So that I there stands for my ion. Yeah. So I will write down Sn2 plus.
Teacher, no need to put like the solid aqueous.
Must. Okay. Teacher forgot to mention jet just now. So I'm just gonna erase here a bit. Now, Sn was a solid because it's an electrode. Thank you for reminding teacher. Okay, Sn is a solid. Okay, must have physical states. Okay, so then teacher's going to put this and I found and form an ion Sn2 plus, which is an aqueous. Okay, I've done the first part, which is my anode part. You all write it here a bit because no space. Teacher went and wrote to the middle a bit. Okay, are you following teacher so far? Can I move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I have a salt bridge. Salt bridge, I must put double line. Salt bridge is a double line. Teacher, how you know got salt bridge there? You go see the diagram. Okay, you only can write a notation cell when you got a salt bridge. See, I got a salt bridge here. Okay, so teacher is going to write down the salt bridge here. Okay, and then what is, now I go to my cathode. Okay, what is the ion? I start with the ion. See, AeI-IEC. What is the ion that was formed?
Cu2 plus.
Very good. I got Cu2 plus. And it's an aqueous solution. Okay. Now, what was my electrode?
Cu.
Very good. Cu. And that's it. And that is my notation cell. And my Cu is a solid. Now, do you understand how to write a notation cell or cell notation? Is that simple for you? What is the keyword Panchina just taught you here? What's the keyword here?
Anode come first, and then cathode at the back.
Very good. And in the middle, you must remember E comes before I. Then you mirror it. If you mirror it, you get IE. Are you following what teacher is saying? So you remember this concept, AEI, IEC. If you remember do this, you can do any cell notation. Okay, if you understand what teacher just said, I would like you to type 1 maybe in the chat, so at least teacher know, oh, okay, you understand. Thank you. Banyak you punya one-nya. Okay, so you're done with this. But that's not all. They said calculate the voltage. What's the formula for voltage? Who remembers? How to calculate voltage? Who can tell teacher? What's the formula for voltage?
V equals to IR.
Sorry?
No, nothing. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, voltage in chemistry.
Positive set value minus the negative set value.
Nah, wrong concept though. Wrong concept.
Damien said E equals mg square.
Damien, top way.
Before that, T. V equals to IR. Hello. You want me to call upon Rayman now, is it?
I told the same thing, but we listen.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Kaki terbaik lah.
Why?
But Damien is idola, idola.
E is equals to MC squared. That one Einstein lah. Okay, sorry. All right. Voltage, okay, your E naught cell, please remember it's very simple, is your E naught cell of your cathode minus your E naught cell of your anode. That's it. It's nothing difficult. Okay, how to spell cat? C-A-T, right? So C first, then minus A. Okay, I don't think you will get a T, but yeah, that's it. All right, or if you like to drink cha, okay, like to drink tea. Okay, so C and A. Very, very simple. Okay, very good. Okay, Shalini's put there a cathode minus anode. So what's my value for my SEP of my cathode? My cathode was what just now? Copper, isn't it? What's the value for copper?
Positive 0.34.
Yeah, by now all these numbers must be at your fingertips. You have used it so much. Okay, what's my E naught value of my tin?
Negative 0.1.
Negative 0.1.
1?
4.
Okay. Now, use your calculator. Sorry, use your calculator and give me the answer.
Positive 0.48.
Okay, positive 0.48. Shah gets no marks here.
Volt.
Volt.
Correct. 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Karti, just now you were saying that Voltaix had a cell heart for you. Is it Karti? Karti?
Teacher, I didn't say anything, teacher.
Was it someone else who mentioned that it's hard? Okay, it doesn't matter. Actually, voltaic cell, if they ever come out, is the most easiest thing. They only can ask you, what's your anode? What is your cathode? Why you choose that as your anode? Why you choose that as your cathode? What is the observation? What is your cell notation? What is your cell value? That's it. 7 marks in your hands. Can come out in subjective also. If you already know how to answer, 7 to 8 marks already in your hands, yeah? So you must remember, it's easy to score here. Okay, now teacher want to ask you, how can I make sure, or how can I ensure I can increase the voltage of this cell? What can I do?
Teacher, what if I have, what if I pick, element, right? Or whatever that is less positive, even more lesser positive than the one where we have here.
Very good, very good. That's a correct answer. So what are you going to use? So just now we used tin, right?
So we use
Good answer.
magnesium.
Very good. Perfect answer. So number 1, all of you writing, replace tin metal with magnesium metal. Okay, replace tin metal with magnesium metal. And you see, because the E naught value is more, so that means your cell notation will also be more. So answer number 1 is replace, okay, tin with magnesium. Now you tell teacher, if you replace tin with magnesium, your solution also must replace, right? Look at your solution. Okay, look at your
Change the magnesium nitrate.
very good. So change your solution here to magnesium nitrate solution. Don't have the word solution, you don't get marks. Okay. Let me see. So you replace tin with magnesium, then you can also replace tin nitrate, tin to nitrate solution with magnesium nitrate solution. Okay, another way. Who can try of another way? Here I change my negative terminal. Is that what we? What else can I do?
The other way around.
Now tell me what's the other way around?
Change copper to silver.
Very good. Good job. Both
Change
of
the solution.
So replace copper with silver. Now, Zawabi, if I change copper with silver, what do you think I need to do with my solution?
Change also.
So tell me what's the name of the solution, the new solution.
Silver nitrate.
Very good. So replace copper to nitrate solution with silver nitrate solution. Very good. Excellent. See how they can ask questions? So actually, I'd like to do the MRSM. That's what teacher wanted to do it, y'all, because they ask very good questions. You all happy to try the question?
Teacher, will the actual exam be as hard as the MRSM one, or even, I would say, will be less as harder than this?
Less hard. But it's very good that you try very hard questions. Then when easy questions come, it's okay. Okay, all right, let's move on to the next one. Last one, yeah? Okay, and then teacher, I don't think I can do the first essay, but it's okay. Okay, so this is question number 8. Okay, question number 8. How many of you tried the questions already? Teacher just want to ask you, how many of you tried the questions? Chia, some more? Okay, Chia and Chia alone. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, Kai also tried. The rest of you didn't try it?
Teacher, is A1 zinc?
Okay, all right. So a few of you tried already, didn't try it. Okay, tried so hard and go. Why? Why doesn't it matter, Zawawi? Zawawi? Oh, smack you. Ayo. Wasting my time. Zawawi, what happened to your voice today? Today he's saving his voice for some don't know what lah. Okay, doesn't matter. Yes, the first answer is zinc. We are doing displacement, yeah. So lead is negative 0.13. This is a very good question. Okay, lead is negative 0.13. Who can displace it? It must be a metal higher in the ECS. Can it be copper? Look at copper's value. It is more positive. Can copper displace lead from the salt solution? Can or cannot?
Cannot.
Cannot. Impossible. So the answer must be zinc. Only a metal that is higher can displace a metal that is lower. So correct. The first answer is zinc. Okay, now it goes back to a thermochemistry question. This one teacher want to do step by step with you. The heat of displacement for the reaction is negative 112 kilojoule per mole. Okay, I want to ask you, negative 112 kilojoule per mole is for 1 mole or is for not 1 mole?
Not 1 mole, sir.
Sorry, Tinish, what do you say?
Not 1 mole.
Not 1 mole. Why?
Because the product is the energy released.
Wrong. When you see there's a negative here and when you see there's a per mole here, it is always for 1 mole.
Oh, okay.
Whenever you see, if you ever see per mole at the back, you must know it is for 1 mole. So 1 mole is equals to 112 kilojoules per mole. Okay. Right now, teacher wants to find for how many moles. I must find out because they asked me to find the change in temperature. If teacher wants to find change in temperature, teacher must use this formula, correct? H is equals to MC theta. Am I right, class?
Yes.
The rest of you? Teacher don't want to be the only one talking, yeah? I want to hear from you. Do I need to use this formula if I want to find H is equals to MC theta?
Yeah, check.
Okay, now I want to ask you, okay? What is my M here?
100 gram.
Very good, it's 100, okay? What is my C here?
4.2.
Okay, what is my theta? I don't know, that's what they want me to find. Okay, now what is my H here?
112 on
Kilojoule.
on negative, yeah, kilojoules.
No, that's where you are wrong. That's where you are super duper wrong. This 112 is for 1 mole. So right now, I do not know what is this H. That's why I cannot answer this question. I need to go and find what is this H. How to find out what is that H? Okay, I need to go a step further.
Is it MV over 1000?
Correct. I need to find the number of moles of Pb2 plus displaced. Okay, now to find, Zawawi, what do you get? Zawawi, did you say something?
The number of mole is 0.05, sir.
Okay, tell me how you got 0.05.
100 centimeter cube times 0.5
Okay.
over 1,000.
Okay, very good. Yeah, so correct. I get 0.05 moles. Very good. Okay, now I already now know this step. Now the next step the teacher needs to do is I need to darab silang. Okay, so 1 mole gives me 112 kilojoules per mole. 0.05 mole will give me how much?
$5.6.
What, kilojoule, joule?
Kilojoule.
Okay, so it's 0.05 times 112. Okay, so teacher will get 5.6 kilojoule. If teacher wants to change it to joules, 5,600 joules. Okay, until here, very good. Okay, many of you following through. Yeah, good job. Okay, now what do I need to do? I already found my H. This is teacher's H. I bring this inside here. So next step, 5600 is equals to 100 times 4.2 times theta. Okay, somebody find for teacher theta. Correct. Okay, so Kai mentioned is 13.3 degrees Celsius. Did all of you get that answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, do I need to put 2 decimal place or 3 decimal place or 4 decimal place or no decimal place?
1 decimal place. Can
Very good. All of you writing down there. For temperature, teacher use 1 decimal place. And well done. Okay, we've got our last page here. What is my R? What is my S? One has this is a heat of neutralization, yeah? For heat of neutralization, one will always be higher than the other, okay? Because of only one factor. What is that factor?
Is it a stronger acid?
Okay, which one has a strong acid?
Acid S.
Okay, very good. So my acid S will be a strong acid. And my acid R will be
A weak acid.
all right, weak acid. All right, okay, let's go on. Let's move on. Give me, they ask you to suggest the name of it. Who would like to try for my S? And then who would like to try for R?
I would answer, Chair.
Okay, go ahead.
S, I could say hydrochloric acid.
Okay, fine. Teacher will accept hydrochloric acid. Okay. Carry on.
And Damien say ethanoic acid.
Correct. Okay. For R, I will not accept any other answers except for ethanoic acid. For S, teacher can accept hydrochloric acid. What else?
What about
Sulfuric.
nitric acid?
Yes, nitric acid can. Shalini, you were saying something?
Sulfuric acid.
All these answers are possible. Yay, you did so well. Write the thermochemical equation for the reaction between R and potassium hydroxide. You don't have to write R, yeah? You can actually write the real name. Who would like to try it for teacher? How do I write ethanoic acid?
CH3COO.
Excellent. CH3COH. How do I write potassium hydroxide?
KOH.
KOH. Excellent. Now what do I get?
Negative 55 kilojoule.
Oh, my product, darling.
Oh,
Try.
Do I get H2O, Chair?
You do get H2O, yes. Very good. You all are working backwards. So if I take out the H here and I take out the OH here, what happens to my K?
So you will add, so you'll be CH3 COK.
Yes. Okay, you're gonna cook something. Yes, CH3 cook plus H2O. Well done. Okay, but you're not done yet. You cannot get your second mark. It's called thermochemical equation. Thermochemical equation. This is equation. What is a thermochemical equation? Alwi. Are we? Let me try someone else. Did Avi put the answer? No, not put degrees Celsius at the end. No. Try again. Try again.
Teacher, what's the question, Chair?
Thermo. Yeah, we can't hear you, Alvi. You must, Damien also wrong. It's not above the arrow though, Damien. It's correct, heat of neutralization, but not above the arrow. Alvi, you
Beside
wanna...
the equation.
Sorry, Chia?
The one Damien said right beside the equation.
Beside the equation is correct. Okay, so Alvi can't be heard. Sorry, Alvi. Okay, but yes, you write delta H. Okay, all of you look at teacher's answer. Delta H is equals to negative 55 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this is a thermochemical equation. Must have your delta H by the side. Okay, last question. And this is very important. They will always and always ask you this question. Why? Why one negative 55? Why the other one negative 57? The answer is already in front of you. I think you can get 1 mark, but you can.
Teacher, I would like to try, but then I'll let other people try first.
Okay, go ahead. Who wants to try?
Can I say, oh, Namala, let other people try first.
Cute like you.
If tak ada orang, then I try.
Okay, let me have never mind. Let one more person try, okay? Let me see. Farid, do you want to try, Farid?
Is it something about ionized completely in water?
Yeah, you can actually say that. So which one is ionizing completely in water?
Acid S, hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid. Okay, so very good. First mark is hydrochloric acid ionizes completely in water. Okay. All right. Now I want to just tell you something. Yeah. When I put a single stroke, it means that I can also write this answer. Yeah. You can also say hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. So both answers are okay. Okay. If I do for one, it must be fair. I must do for the other one also as well. All right. Okay. Ethanoic acid, go ahead, Farid.
Ionizes partially in water.
Okay, ionizes partially in water. I can see that many of you are in class. You're already picking up the marking scheme answers already. Yeah, so teachers very happy. Yeah, very good. All of you, you are following marking scheme answers already. Anik, what is another alternative? If I don't say what he just said, what is another alternative?
Ethanoic acid is a weak acid.
Okay, correct. It's a weak acid. Okay, now this one mark, most of you will get it. Most of you. But most of you always lose out the second mark. Who would like to try? No? Wrong, Damien?
Is it that the strong acid produce more hydrogen ions?
No. Now, when your second point mustn't talk about strong acid. Second point must talk about weak acid. Okay, so the weak acid is CH3COOH. Okay, CH3COOH. You already said it's ionizing partially only. So that means to say I only get very, very few CH3COO. Maybe only 10% of it, the ethanoate. Okay, and then here I got only 10% of hydrogen ions. So many of it is still remaining as the molecule.
So reabsorption.
Correct. So I am taking some of the energy that is released and I'm reabsorbing it so that I can completely ionize my ethanoic acid. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Benji says yes. The rest of you?
So you can repeat this part a bit, sir.
Okay, so you see what happens in a weak acid, it's ionizing partially. That means teacher only get 10%, 10% only partially I get my hydrogen ions. Okay, and I don't want that, I want to get more. So initially, here is negative 57 or so before this. It's negative 57, right? But what happens is, I use some percent here, I used 2 kilojoules per mole, 3 kilojoules per mole. I took that energy that is released and I came here and I want to break more bonds. Okay, so that instead of 10%, teacher get 40% maybe. I get 40% hydrogen ions. That means I want to try to ionize it even further. So more hydrogen ions are produced. That's why when I used up this energy here, that's why teacher got 55 kilojoules per mole. Initially was 57. I took 2 or 3 kilojoules per mole and I tried to re-ionize it again. So if I'm writing in sentence, okay, all of you follow teacher sentence. Some of the heat release. So initially supposed to be 57. So some of the heat release. Okay, even if you don't understand, memorize. Okay, you can say is reabsorbed by ethanoic acid. Okay, to completely ionize the acid. Or you can put the weak acid. It's a simple sentence. I have 57 kilojoules per mole being released, but I take some of the heat Some only, not all. I take some of the heat, I reabsorb it back by the ethanoic acid, and I use that heat to break more bonds. I want to ionize it some more. So instead of 10% now, teacher get 40%. Can y'all understand? Can y'all, at least if you don't understand, can y'all try to memorize this sentence? Can or cannot?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, the rest of you can?
Okay, teacher.
Teacher.
All right, teacher has finished on to question number 8. Tomorrow, I hope to do maybe 1 or 2 essays with y'all, especially the first 2 essays, because hardly come out in exam.
All right.
Wait, what did somebody say? How to determine whether an acid is the strength of an acid, is it? Zawabi, is that your question?
Yes, sir.
Meaning to say whether it's a strong acid or a weak acid?
Yeah, based on the name. Can you?
So if you remember my name, got S, got H, and got S, H, and A, all the consonants, right?
Oh, those are the weak acids.
Those are the strong acids. The consonants in my name are the strong acids. The vowels in my name are the weak acids, which is only one, ethanoic acid.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's the only thing that you need to remember for now. It is your level. No, Sunday, today is for to replace Sunday. I don't want to give Sunday class, kan? So today is for Sunday. Actually, I'm happy we chose today, but very little students, but it's okay. Tomorrow we finished, at least we finish MRSM questions. Are y'all okay?
Boleh.
Okay. Teacher also gave Kedah and Melaka. Let me see. Kedah and Melaka. So I think Kedah we did in class, in the morning class. Okay. If y'all can finish up Melaka, do Melaka, because it's very simple, the paper. I would like to see y'all actually scoring at least more than 30. If y'all can. Can I look at your lovely faces, please? Yes, the objective questions. Try. You must try, okay? Can I have your lovely faces to see how you all look during the school holidays? Okay, Benjamin, I can see already. The rest of you? Okay, Anik also. Chia. All right, Kai, Farid. The rest of you? The rest of you probably not there, huh? Isaiah, Shalini, okay, Chia, Karti, Alwi. Okay, you're there. Isaiah, here or not, Isaiah? You sure you're 100% here?
Yeah, I'm here, I'm here.
Look at Zawabi. Okay. You're sleeping, Zawabi. We want to smack you. Okay, Dinesh, I saw you too. Okay. Damien cannot. Is it Damien, Renat, Awi, and Benjamin? Okay. At the count of 3, Dinesh, are you helping me?
Again.
All right, shoot. Ayo, enough of that word lah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you for joining class today, and I will see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow at 2 is okay?
Okay.
Karti, can you organize with the class?
Yes.
Okay, 2, Karti with the eyes only, he's telling me yes, okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, Chair.
Welcome. Bye. Bye, Benji. Bye, Chia.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Okay or not, Chia? Can understand or not?
Thank you. Thank you, teacher.
Sleepy or not?
A bit, teacher.
Yes, sir. Why, Tired, are you?
Yeah.
Or is it the questions were too easy, but the rest couldn't understand?
No, teacher was out just now.
Sorry?
Was in the morning the whole day.
Okay, never mind. Tomorrow I hope it's a better day. Okay, take care, yeah.
Itu je.
Bye-bye.
Bye.